Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, more than just another A-series phone. Alright, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, because this isn't just another mid-range phone with minor upgrades. Samsung seems to be stepping up its game, bringing premium features at a budget-friendly price. This phone is designed to give you a near-flagship experience without breaking the bank, which is exactly what a lot of us are looking for. Display. Smooth, sharp, and built to last. The 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display is easily one of the phone's biggest highlights. But here's why it matters. 120 Hz refresh rate, not just for smooth scrolling, but also for better gaming response and ultra-fluid animations. HDR support, richer colors, deeper contrast, and an overall better experience when watching videos. Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, more scratch-resistant than before, so it can handle everyday wear and tear. IP67 rating, dust and water resistance means you don't have to stress over spills, rain, or even quick dips in the pool. Performance, Exynos 1580 and real-world speed. Under the hood, the Exynos 1580 is designed to handle everything from daily tasks to more demanding apps. Expect smooth multitasking, quick app switching, and respectable gaming performance. No frustrating lags here. And let's not forget 5G connectivity. It's not just about faster downloads, it also means lower latency for smoother online gaming, crystal clear video calls without annoying lag camera, smart software equals better photos. The 50-megapixel main sensor sounds great on paper, but what really matters is Samsung's software magic. Improved night mode, better low-light shots with less noise, enhanced portrait mode, sharper subject focus with beautiful background blur AI scene optimization. The phone automatically adjusts settings for the best shot. And if you love taking selfies, the 12-megapixel front camera should deliver better low-light performance and improved facial recognition for unlocking your phone. Battery and software, all-day power, plus smooth experience. A 5,000 mAh battery is solid, but what makes a real difference is efficiency. The Exynos 1580 plus One UI 7 combo is designed to stretch battery life as much as possible. Expect adaptive battery. Your phone learns your habits and optimizes power usage. One UI 7. New privacy features, better customization, and an even smoother user experience. Oh, and Samsung's long-term software updates mean your phone will stay relevant for years. Extra features. Everything you need. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for faster, more reliable connections, NFC for contactless payments. In-display fingerprint sensor, secure and seamless unlocking stereo speakers, better audio for videos, music, and gaming. Final thoughts? A strong mid-range contender. The Galaxy A56 5G checks all the right boxes. A gorgeous display, solid performance, a capable camera system, and long battery life. If Samsung prices it right, this phone could easily be one of the best mid-range options out there. What do you think? Is the A56 5G on your radar? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews. I'll be doing a hands-on test as soon as I get my hands on it. Stay tuned.